Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I created these ornament wreaths. I'm going to leave a video down below by Nurse Tara. She is the originator of this idea and I want you guys to check out her process and what all the items she used and whatnot. And that will be linked down below. I'm going to be using Happy Crafter Shop items, the stuff she sent in her design team package for the month of November, which we're going to be featuring her cabochons. They're so cute, guys. Look at this gingerbread one. And then I just put one of, look at how cute that little deer is, the little Rudolph. He is so adorable. All right, so you be sure to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase. These are super simple to make and they're very cost effective. Happy Crafter Shop has a lot of affordable items. Use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off. I'll have a playlist link down below along with her website. Okay, so let's get started. I purchased these shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree. You get 12 in a pack for $1.25. And this thing is super simple to do, you guys. It has a little hook. Just make sure you close it like so. And I'm going to be using some yarn that I have in my stash from Hooby Looby. Okay, this craft is so easy to do. I just start off with a little bit of glue here just to get things started. And all I do is wrap around, you guys. This is such a simple craft to do. When I first started crafting, it was so popular. Everybody would make these. And so I was like, I'm going to make some with my Happy Crafter Shop items. So I picked up that set of shower rings from Dollar Tree. And I knew I wanted to use like my little furry. I have a lot of this kind of stuff in my stash. Check out Tara's video down below because she uses some tinsel wire. But guys, this is a great way to use your stash. Ooh, this was a perfect piece, you guys. And then I'm just going to glue at the end. As you see, I just glued like in the beginning and in the end. You don't need much glue for this craft, especially if you're using this material. So there goes our wreath. Look at that. So pretty and fluffy. Ooh, I should do a swan one. I'm going to have to make one with a swan for my sissy. Okay, so there we go. There goes our wreath. And now is the fun part. We're going to decorate it. So what I would suggest, if you're going to be hanging this, I would go ahead and do a hanging piece first. So I'm going to use you guys can use yarn, you can use string. I just had a bunch of stuff on my desk this morning last night when I was doing this. Let me find my twine. But you can use just sewing yarn, regular yarn, whatever. I did have some tinsel yarn. All right, I'm just going to use this twine that I have, but I did use tinsel with this one. Okay, and I did wrap some of that around. We can do that on this one. So same thing, we're just going to wrap this around. Just going to put a little bit of glue to start this. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see this. I'm going to snip some of this twine. You can get this kind of twine anywhere. This one came from Hobby Lobby last year. Baker's twine. I always, at the end of the season, when Hobby Lobby stuff goes on clearance, you guys, I go crazy. And I buy tons of... You're not really going to see this very well. Here, let me tie it loosely. I'm going to tie it very loosely. Just like that. I don't know, you can't really see that. I'm gonna leave it because I like the little subtle hints of red. So I'm just gonna glue it on the back. Use your stash, guys. Use what you have in your stash for this. And then I'm gonna add some more twine to the top. So I'm gonna grab a piece that is long enough. I will grab a little bit of extra because it's better for it to be longer than shorter. You can always snip it. And I'm just gonna fold it in half like so. Loop it through. Let me see, where do I want my top to be? Right here. And then you're just gonna string that through the hole and pull so that it's secured. And then you're just gonna tie a knot on top. Super simple, super easy. There we go. And then now it's time for the fun part, the decorating. So I already have some bows that are pre-made. I think I'm going to use this one, you guys. Look how pretty. And I'm just going to glue that right at the top. Just like so. Try to adjust this a little bit. You can see it a little bit. I kind of like the subtle hints. And then we're going to pick one of our Happy Crafter Shop cabochons. There's so many cute ones to choose from. What about this polar bear? I think that one would be cute. Guys, things on her site sell out so quickly. So if you see something that you like on her site available, grab it really quick. So you can embellish this on the middle of the bow. You can put the cabochon down in the middle. You can fill it with a bunch of different cabochons. I really like this polar bear. I'm trying to think if I want to put him there or in the middle. So these would be great gifts, guys, for Happy Mail, for even, not even a crafter, for someone who doesn't craft. I think this would be a great. I'm going to go with this vintage snowman. How cute is he? And I'm just going to glue that on the center of my bow. Just like so. Isn't that pretty, you guys? And then you can use your like blings. You can use clay pieces to decorate. I'm going to use these red flowers. Believe it or not, I don't have a lot of red in my stash. Yeah, we're going to do these. And I'm just going to put one on the center of each of these. Isn't that so adorable, you guys? This is like one of the easiest gifts you can make. And you can make this like a ton at once. You know what I mean? Like an assembly line. And actually, this would be a great craft for you to do with your kids or your grandkids. And they can gift these to their teachers. Really inexpensive. You get 12 in a pack from Dollar Tree. I rewatched Tara's video yesterday. And she said in her video that at Walmart, she got a bunch of them for a decent price. Now, that video was 7 years ago, but Walmart always has really good prices. So definitely check out Walmart to see if you get a better deal. And that's how it looks, you guys. Isn't it so cute? So you can use different, like I said, different materials. Check out her video so you can see what she used. Here goes the gingerbread. And then this one, I didn't put any gems. Let me know what you think about this one. This one is another yarn, but it's thinner. Let me show you. You guys know I love to add this kind of stuff to my projects. Here goes that tinsel. I put it in a bag. So I use this one that's a little bit thinner, and they're all from Hobby Lobby. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this craft. Check out the video link down below. And again, don't forget to use my code Poochie10. It's crunch time, you guys. It is the end of November. And if you are hand making things for gifts or whatnot, now is the time to get busy, you know what I mean, and mass produce. All right, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.